There's lots of crabs down here. Crabs? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's another one over there. Oh God, that kind of burns your tongue a little.
Alright team, when you get to here guys, we might take a right. We can go left, but that's down Sandfly Alley, and it's probably not really good. It's great if you want to feed the wildlife.
You should have tried it instead. It was like lemon. Travis caught this for me and said that.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
We like asked him. Oh
Did anyone get a picture of it?
yeah.
Yeah, they sort of could be a tang that hangs around, don't they? Alright. You've probably sort of noticed, guys, as you're cruising along, checking if you have a look at the trees, I don't know, if you're interested in trees, you have a look at them, and you think, they got some funny looking roots on them. Alright. Now, they do. This one out here is a pretty good example. Big looking glass mangrove through there. Another type of mangrove tree. In the rainforest, right? It's the oldest living thing on the planet, but the trees can't go deep. Okay, you've only got probably just over a meter's worth of soil where the trees will actually get nutrients and they can actually hold on to. After that it's all clay and it's very useless, so the trees don't bother going deep roots. They can't survive down there. What they'll do instead, because they need lots of stability, because the ground's always very wet, very boggy, lots of wind and all that sort of stuff, instead of going deep they'll flare out. So they'll, like buttresses on the old castle walls, right? They send the buttress out to hold the castle walls up. Does the same thing for the tree. Lots and lots of surface area out there, it's nice and stable, holds the tree up so the tree survives when it's really windy and your cyclones and stuff like that. And also very handy when it's all underwater. It's in flood, you've got all that surface area, the tree still breathes. So pretty handy little root system. The Aboriginal people would find it really useful as well. It's like a big piece of plywood. So they'd come along and go, choice, chop out a nice big food serving platter, or make some shields, boomerangs, all that sort of good stuff. Not that you have a lot of use for a boomerang in the rainforest, but throw a boomerang in here, you're pretty much just going to catch yourself another tree.
That's why he just like ant butts.
And cane toads.
Yeah, if you want to do LSD.
Oh, you didn't try one of the ants?
Nah.
Well, I got a picture.
I'm good without licking an ant.
It won't kill you.
Yeah, I took a picture of the ants, and then Paul said he had one, so I was like, I can take a picture of you, like, after licking the ant. So he stuck his tongue out, and he was like,
Nasty.
yeah.
Get in touch with your inner hippie, guys. Lean over, give this one a big hug. Right, show it some love. Yeah, don't shake it though, because all that crap will fall on your head. Now up there, you're going to find yourself drop bear's nest. That's where the rare and wonderful tropical North Queensland drop bear lives. Now, I hate to shatter your hopes and dreams, guys, but if anyone's told you stories about drop bear already, they're full of shit, they're lying to you. There is no such thing, right? We'll try and tell you otherwise. We'll tell you this is a gigantic koala bear with a big leathery bum that jumps out of the tree, breaks your spine and carries you off and hides you in a hole. Anything that's going to jump out of those will be green tree snakes. You know, you get your trees and your amethystine pythons and stuff, they'll curl up in the big nest up there because it's nice and warm and sunny. They'll doze off, they fall out and they'll land on your head. Great fun.
So fun.
It's beautiful big basket ferns. There's a couple of really good ones up in front of us. Just a big fern, instead of growing on the ground, grows up the tree. Right, it's nice and happy up in the tree, it's got lots of sunlight. lives in harmony with the tree, doesn't hurt it unless it gets so big that it makes the tree fall down. Back in the Amazon basin, these things are responsible for killing a lot of people involved in the logging and the timber industry. These are pretty small, they'll get to be the same size and the same weight as our bus, and they'll be 200 or 300 feet up the tree. So when you're chopping the old tree down, right, the tree's about to fall down, so you've killed the tree. Before it falls down, it has a little bit of a wobble, gets unstable, drops 2 tons of dirt on your head, bang, you've killed it, but Mother Nature got you first.
Still looking for that lizard? Oh, dragon? Such a weird ground.
Yeah, no, but it looks really awesome. It's all roots.
Yeah, yeah. It's all roots just popping up all over. Oh, sorry, it's okay.
Doesn't that smell kind of sulfury?
Yeah, probably decomposition, maybe? Maybe decomposing.
What?
No, like a...
Did I hear there was a snake?
just the vine wrapping around it.
That's a snake. Cool.
Den der kravler knapper der.
I'm jealous you have a video camera.
It'll all be for public viewing, pretty much.
Yeah.
Trekking through the jungle.
Let's go to the left.
Bye.
Der var noget vandskænger der. Jeg kunne overhovedet ikke finde noget. Det er spændende. Der var en fisk på et.
Hvis man bare sigter ind i nogle af de her store.
Ja, så tænkte jeg også, så var der en chance. Hvis bare lige rammer det eneste.
Big funky red tree there, guys. There you go, that's what a big funky red tree looks like. Nice. That one's your giant red cedar. Alright, the most valuable timber in the rainforest, that one. When the guys were chopping all the trees down, they pushed down 30 or 40 trees just to get to one of those. Nobody likes here. Because no one's found me a forest dragon yet. We're coming up with a prime forest dragon and have a stab. This is where they live anyway.
Got it. Keep your eyes open.
Well, you keep your eyes open.
Det er sådan rigtig... Ja, helt vildt faktisk. Ej, hvor sindssygt. Skal jeg prøve at se dig? Ej. Ej. Det ser helt vildt meget sådan ud egentlig. Nu skal du ikke gå væk fra billedet, vel?